Mm. So I've said before that poning Muslims on the internet is just not as much fun for me as it used to be, because it's just way too goddamn easy. And also, I don't want to look like one of those guys. I definitely don't want to look like a fucking atheist cult drone, since I'm not a fucking atheist. But I would just like to say this. The verse of the sword, which is often used to prove that yes, Islam is violent. And the verse of the sword, which is Surah 9, verse 5, reads thusly: When the sacred months are over, slay the idolaters wherever you find them. Arrest them, besiege them, and lie in ambush everywhere for them. If they repent and take to prayer and render the alms levy, the jizya, allow them to go their way. God is forgiving and merciful. Now, the proponents of the whole Islam means peace line of crap, they often say that people are taking this verse out of context. And the context is that this verse is talking about war between a Muslim country and a non-Muslim country. And they have a point, because when you're at war, what are you going to do except go all in? Except they're forgetting just one thing. The verse and those surrounding it, that is 9:1 to 9:8, talk about if you're at war with this nation of idolaters, then make war on them and kill them all unless they submit to Islam. Now, it specifically mentions idolaters, or in Pickthall's translation, pagans. So we're not talking about Christians and Jews who would be awarded, who, given Muslim conquest, would be given second-class status. No. Pagans, such as myself, proud heathen Odinsman, their choices are either convert to Islam or die. And while yes, this verse is talking about war, and you guys know me, I have never once claimed that war is in any way pleasant or fun. But look at this for a minute. This gives the nation once conquered two choices: either submit to Islam or die. So what this verse is talking about is fucking genocide. If this pagan country, if the hypothetical pagan country is conquered by the hypothetical Muslim country, then according to the Quran, the pagans can either all be murdered, bloodbath of Verdun style, or give up their storied religious tradition, which has been passed on ancestrally for thousands of years, and which is part of what makes them who they are, and submit to Islam. either physical genocide or cultural genocide. So no matter how you swing it, this verse is not peaceful at all.